In this 5-minute demo, we're going to take you through everything you need to know and how to effectively use ConX Measure to do your takeoffs. If you know what you're looking for, there's a timestamp at the bottom of this screen to take you straight there. Just to get us started with a couple of basics, you can collapse the measurements drawer here and here if you want more of the canvas to work with. The plus and minus icons in the top right hand corner is how you're going to zoom in and zoom out. You got that. You can scroll between the pages of your plans in this left hand column here in these windows, and if you've got multiple plans uploaded, they'll be available in that drop down. What you want to do next is make sure the scale is correct. They usually have this on the plan somewhere. As you can see here, it is 1/4 to 1 inch. By selecting the page scale drop down, you'll be able to find the exact scale to set. No harm in checking it. Select the length tool, click to start, double click to finish, and you'll be able to see that the scale is spot on. Now we'll run through the tools. The rectangle is for getting the area of shapes that are symmetrical. Simply click, drag and drop, and you'll be able to see the exact area of bedroom 3 there. The polygon is for getting the area of shapes that are not necessarily symmetrical. Click to start, click to drop a marker and change direction, and when you're finished, double click and you'll get the area of that shape. You can rename all of your measurements in the measurements drawer. This will be helpful for the quoting template later. Simply select the shape you wish to rename and name it as suits. Selecting the checkbox, you can highlight the shape and then delete it from the measurements drawer here. Next, we're going to set up a group. Simply select the tool you wish to use. In the drop down where it says add group, click add group. Give it a name, in this case walls, and give it a color as well. This will allow you to start a measurement and then elsewhere on the plans continue that measurement. As you will see, the individual shapes will go into the folder named walls. This will allow you to get the sum total of a group without having to add it up later yourself. By clicking the green arrow, you'll be given more fields with which you can input some data. For the walls, if you've gotten the perimeter of a room and you know the height of the walls, put in the height here and you'll get the square footage of the walls. For the slabs, if it's concrete for example, you can put in a depth and you'll get your volume of concrete. Same goes for the pitch. By checking the checkbox, you can duplicate the measurement by hitting this button here. This will give you the exact same measurement as has been done on the canvas, but you can treat it differently, give it a different name, and put in different height, depth, width, or pitch on it. This just avoids the doubling up of efforts. By using the comment feature, you can leave notes for people who you might like to send the plans to, be it subcontractors or clients. This is handy. You can just clarify what exactly you're referring to on the plans. For the count item, it allows you to just count any items you wish. In this example, we'll use GPIOs. What you do is give it a name, give it a color, give it an icon with which you want it to be represented on the plans, click add, and then you can count up all of the GPIOs in the house or in the building. This will give you a tally later on. For the deductions tool, you can take out segments of an area that you want to take out. Think of windows, or in this case, a kitchen island, or anything like that. It will remove it from the sum total of that shape or group. When you're happy with all your measurements done and your takeoff is complete, hit download measurements and we will send you a quoting template. Here you will see everything as you've done it on the canvas. Using this quoting template, you can add in wastage for your concrete or other bits and pieces. Then by adding a unit cost, you will get a really quick quote put together in moments. Add in a contingency or a margin, or some people are just using this as tax. As it is a template, you can change it to suit yourself.